at 4,800 feet. Already got snow on the road. And actually there's snow down at 3,400 feet. Got KM6OIN in the truck back there. Looking in the mirror.
Do you know what the elevation is at the trailhead?
7 W6RIP. Getting ready to hike up to Mount Williamson. Whiskey 6 Charlie Tango 247. Got Gare with me, KM6OIN. We're at Islip Saddle right now. Islip Saddle. Whatever. So I say it right. Okay. There's the trailhead. Islip Saddle. PCT. Little 2 mile hike up, 2 mile hike back. And it's gonna be a good day. Starting 16 degrees when we stepped out of the trucks. And it's gonna be fun. Be running 20 meters. Garrett will be on 2 meters. Be a nice easy day. Summit's on the air. Snowing a little bit. Then you put the gloves back on. It's getting cold. There's some snow. Yeah. Oh shit, yeah. You threw that gator over it. Yeah. Yeah. We might need to throw on the spikes. Yeah. Yep. Oh, yeah. Boom. Oh, I can use any of these.
Station requesting information for the Oh, okay, sure. I'll look you up on URSID if you're there and email with information.
Did you hear that?
Copy that?
W6 RIP.
That's correct. They are.
I'm going to turn my spokes down.
No problem. This is KM6DQU, W6 RIP, KM6DQU.
KM6DQQ, W6 RIP on top of Mount Williamson. This is Whiskey 6 Charlie Tango 247. Did you copy that?
I copy you 5959 from Whiskey 6 Charlie 068, and your reference number, if I got it correct, is Charlie Tango 247 QSL.
Roger, roger. I'll throw you in the logbook. You're also 5959, and Garrett's up here also, KM6OIN. Stand by.
Standing by.
Okay. Whiskey 6, Romeo, India Papa, calling CQ, 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 Summit's on the air.
Whiskey 7 Delta.
Didn't you just talk to me?
Oh, yeah. Whiskey 7 Delta. Yeah, I had to move down a couple clicks because I had a lot of noise bleeding through up there.
Okay, well, yeah, you've got a great signal here. Thanks. I just heard your call. I didn't hear. I'm sorry. I heard your Summits on the air mention, and I didn't hear your call. So 73 again, and have a good afternoon. W6RIP from Whiskey 7 Delta.
Roger, 7-3. You're sounding awesome up here too as well. Thank you, 7-3. W6RIP. Summit's on the air.
Okay, the Summit's on the air. This is Whiskey 5, Romeo. How do you copy?
Whiskey 5, Romeo. You are 595959. Over.
Yeah, and your call again, please.
Whiskey 6, Romeo, India Papa. Whiskey 6, Radio, Italy, Popeye.
Oh, that's kind of a somber call. Whiskey 6, rest in peace. From Whiskey 5, Radio. Yeah, thanks. I heard you calling. We're just setting up our Club Shack radio station at the NASA Johnson Space Center. Handle is Dave, Delta, Alpha, Victor Echo, and you're coming in 5 by 9.
Oh, thank you very much. Roger the 5-9. And where is that located?
Yeah, we're located in Houston, Texas, at the NASA Johnson Space Center Club Station.
Oh, very cool. Well, thank you for the contact.
Yeah, QSL, and we appreciate it too. We just hooked up our linear and got things running, so good to know we're getting out. Hey, have a great time with Summits on the air, and hope to catch you around.
Roger. Thank you. And 7-3. Whiskey 6, Romeo, India Papa. Summit's on the air. WB0. WB0, come back.
November Whiskey 7 Echo.
November Whiskey 7 Echo.
November Whiskey 7 Echo, 3 by 3, 33, over.
Copy the 3-3. You're also 33, also 3-3, over.
QSL, thank you very much, and have a good afternoon.
Roger, will do. I got a little bit of snow up here on the mountain. Thank you very much. 7-3.
73. Whiskey 9, Mike Radio Hotel.
Whiskey 9, Mike Radio Hotel. You are a 3333. Come back again with my signal report. Oh. Roger the 5-5. Thank you very much for the contact. 7-3. Will do. W6RIP. Summit's on the air. Kilo Delta 0, Mike. Kilo Delta 0, Mike, Quebec, Bravo. Oscar. Oh, Roger the 5-5. Kilo Delta 0, Mike, Quebec, Oscar. You're also 5-5, also 5-5. Over. Roger 7-3, W6IP, Summit's on the air. And there was another station, come back. W6RIP, Summit's on the air, calling CQ.
Whiskey 6, Whiskey.
Whiskey 6, Whiskey, good morning.
W6RIP, W6W, good morning. This is Bruce in Apple Valley, California, where you are 5-9. Thanks for the activation.
Roger the 5-9, you're also 5-9. Thank you very much, and 7-3, good talking to you.
Thanks again for the activation. Stay safe, have fun at 7-3.
Roger, roger. W6RIP. Summit's on the air. CQ, CQ, CQ. Whiskey 6, Romeo India Papa, calling CQ, Summit's on the air. There's another strong station coming in, but I think he bailed.
Yeah, I heard that.
CQ, 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 Whiskey 6, Romeo, India Papa, calling CQ, 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 Summit's on the air. Oh yeah. Kilo 3, Tango Charlie Uniform, good morning. Yeah, roger, roger, the 3-3. You're also 3-3, 3-3, 3-3. Over. Can't fade out. Roger, roger, thank you. 7-3. Thank you. Good talking to you. 7-3. W6RIP. Summit's on the air.
Yeah, this is Kilo 6, Yankee Oscar Alpha Portable, Summit to Summit. Kilo 6, Yankee Oscar Alpha Portable.
Kilo 6, Yankee Oscar Alpha.
Yeah, roger, roger. This is Kilo 6, Yankee Oscar Alpha Portable. Nice to work you today. You're 55959 into Whiskey 6, Sierra Charlie 214. Whiskey 6, Sierra Charlie 214, QSL.
Oh, roger. Whiskey 6, Sierra Charlie 214. Is that a roger?
Roger, roger. You're 55959, over.
Copy the 5-9. Awesome. You are also 5-9, 5-9, 5-9. And this mountain I am on is Whiskey 6, Charlie Tango 247.
Yeah, roger, roger, roger. The Whiskey 6, Charlie Tango 247. Whiskey 6, Charlie Tango 247. Just give me the first part of your call sign again. I believe it's Whiskey 6, QSL.
Roger, roger. Whiskey 6, Romeo India Papa. Whiskey 6, Romeo India Papa.
Roger, roger, roger. Thanks for the summit-to-summit contact today. Nice to work you from Southern California. The name's Gary, Golf Alpha Radio Yankee. I'll put it back to you for a final. 7-3, Kilo 6, Yankee Oscar Alpha Portable, listening.
Oh, thank you for the summit to summit. Thank you for calling me up. I appreciate that. 7-3. The name here is Kevin, Kilo, Echo, Victor, India, November, Kevin. And thank you for the summit to summit. That was awesome. 7-3. So, Whiskey 6, Romeo India Papa, calling CQ, CQ, CQ. Summit's on the air. I'm pretty sure it's supposed to be in English. Watch.
I don't know, seriously, couldn't figure out where that is.
Alpha Foxtrot 9, come back.
What the fuck?
Oh, hold on. Oh, turn it. What do you... Wow, I got a 5.9, a QSB, loud noise. Really weird. You kidding me, dude? Stand by. If anybody can hear me, stand by. I'm going to wait for this to pass.
I am on airplane mode on both, so...
No, it's not us. It's at Mexico doing data or something. Whiskey 6, Romeo India Papa, calling CQ, 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 Summit's on the air. I think there was an Alpha Foxtrot station.
Yeah, let's give that another try there. It's Alpha Foxtrot 7, Mike Delta.
Oh, much better. Alpha Foxtrot 7, Mike Delta. You are a 575757. Over.
Roger that, Kevin. You're also a 57 up to Oregon today. Thanks for the activation.
Oh, copy the 57 Oregon. Thank you very much. 7-3, take care. And yeah, that was a weird thing going on right there.
this is just how the bands go sometimes. Have fun there, 73.
73.